Hi, in this video we're going to expand two brackets. So we're going to multiply these two brackets together and expand them so we don't have brackets anymore. And remember, the principle was that we multiply each term in the first bracket by each term in the second bracket. So we pick something in the first bracket, pick something in the second bracket and multiply them together. So for example, we could pick the 3x and the 2x and multiply them together. It might be we pick the 5 and the 2x and multiply them together. And we've got to make sure that we get every single combination of something in the first bracket by something in the second bracket. So the way I did this in previous videos was I first focused on the first thing in the first bracket. So I focused on this first thing in the first bracket and then multiplied it by each thing in the second bracket. So I added these kind of arcs like this. So the 3x times the 2x and the 3x times the minus 1. So let's do that first. The 3x times the 2x, well, 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is x squared. So you get 6x squared. And then we do the 3x times the minus 1. Positive times negative is negative, so it's going to be minus 3x. So then I do the second thing in the first bracket multiplied by each thing in the second bracket like this. That's going to make sure we get every combination. So we do the 5 times the 2x, which is the plus 10x. And then we do positive 5 times negative 1, which is minus 5, like that. Right, now we can collect like terms. Now we've only got a single x squared term. We've got the x squared term here. This is not an x squared term. This is not an x squared term. So the 6x squared is the only x squared term. But these are both x terms without powers, and we can collect them together. So we've got minus 3 lots of x plus 10 lots of x is plus 7 lots of x. And then finally, we've got this minus 5. It doesn't even have a variable. There's no other constants like this where we just have a number on its own. So we put the minus 5 there. And that is the final answer.